Welcome back to the channel. So I think today we're gonna have a little one. So as you can see here, this is my little lathe. It is such a sweet tool. I like it a lot. I've modified it quite a bit. I've replaced the motor. I've put some cheap DROs on it. It works really good. I'm enjoying working on it, but there is a little problem. As you can see, it stands right here above my stairs, and every time I go up and down these stairs there is some crap falling from my shoes on top of my lathe, and I don't really like it. And also I have my drill press here and I do like bunch of stuff here, and like all of the dirt and crap just accumulates on top of my lathe, and I kind of want to protect it from all this crap by making a little fabric cover over it. I'm gonna take an inspiration from this cover on my sewing machine. And this cover actually saved my ass one time. I've had a leaky roof in my previous shop, and by some lucky chance, my sewing machine was standing right above the crack in the roof, and the roof leaked really bad that time. And all the water from the roof came straight on top of my sewing machine. But luckily this fabric that I've used to make this cover was waterproof, and it actually saved my ass that time. It was completely covered in water, and nothing came on my sewing machine. I have some of this same exact fabric like here. It's not a lot, but we'll see. Maybe it's going to be enough. And actually another reason for me to do this build is to practice my sewing a little bit. I haven't touched my sewing machine in like a year or even more, so I feel like I kind of need to have a little exercise to renew my skills. I feel like I need to repeat the shape of my lathe from the top. 8C4. And there is a new motor on the back side that sticks out 13 centimeters. So this will be the shape that I need to cut out, and I'm also gonna add a seam allowance to each of my measurements. Okay, so this is the shape or the little footprint of my lathe. Let me check it. Nice. It's gonna be nice. So next step will be to cut out the walls. So these are my parts. I'm gonna put them together with these little clamps. Let's take it upstairs. I feel very rusty. I haven't done this in a long time. I am so stupid. What the? No, I'm actually alright. Yes, that was quite simple. I'm gonna clip on the rest of the pieces and continue on. Okay, so let's give it a dry fit. Usually when I do some sewing, I have like multiple layers of fabric on top of each other, and I sew everything together into a one big sandwich, and then I have to cut everything up and do it again. But this time, it looks like I'm all good. Fits around my lathe quite nicely. However, there is this controller for my new motor and it's kind of sticking out a little bit, and I made this part straight and it's not nice here. So I think I'm gonna make like a little pocket for the controller here, just a minor adjustment, and then it will fit a lot more nicer. All right, so it looks pretty good to me. I think I'm now gonna bend over the edge and stitch across all perimeter to hide this cutted edge and to make it a little more nicer here at the bottom. All right, pretty good. I almost forgot one final detail. Yep, here. There we go. So here we have it. I know it looks a little silly, but it does the job. It protects my lathe from the crap that's falling above from the stairs and from all of the dust that I'm making here on my workbench. Yeah, it does look a bit like a potato in the middle of my shop, but my lathe is protected. Well, I'm definitely not the most talented tailor, but it was a fun exercise. I have not touched my machine in quite some time, and it was good to remind myself how to use it. I'm hoping to do a little more sewing, just need to find some more motivation. Anyways, if you made it all the way till the end, you might as well leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me seeing your likes and reading your comments. So do me a favor, click that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!